Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So for today's tutorial I'll be doing this beautiful classic orangey and brown halo eye makeup look. Anyone can pull out this eye makeup very easily. So yeah, if you're interested, let's begin. So first of all, I'm taking this NK makeup autumn spice eyeshadow palette. This is a very beautiful palette and you are getting 5 matte shades and 4 shimmer shades. Altogether there are 9 shades, and look how pigmented the color is. Let me show you. So first of all, I'm going to take this dark brown shade and will apply with the Morphe dense brush on the outer V. So today I'm creating a halo eye makeup. Halo means spotlight eyes. Basically sandwich a very light color with a darker color on both the upper and lower lids. So here you can see I'm just focusing that dark brown shade on the outer V of my eyelid. I'm not dragging that color. The same I'll do with my inner V, and I'll leave a gap in the center of the eyelid. Here I'll not apply any kind of eyeshadow. Next I'm going to take this beautiful burnt orange color and will diffuse it with the brown eyeshadow. You just have to intensify the colors till the time you're not happy with the intensity. The same step I'm repeating with the inner V of my eyelid. Then I'm going to take this beautiful soft golden shade and will apply it with the Body Shop flat brush, and I'm just focusing on the center of my eyelid because here you have to give that halo effect to your eyes. You can also apply a concealer first and then you can apply any kind of shimmer shade, but this particular eyeshadow is so pigmented that I'm not using any kind of concealer. Then to intensify that golden shade, I'm applying it with my fingers because your fingers are the best when it comes to any glitter eyeshadow. Then I'm taking the same brush and just blending all things together so that there is a smooth transition between brown and then orange and then golden color, and I'm just applying that color on the crease of my eyelid. The same thing I'll do with my lower lash line. I'll apply the colors in the same sequence. Moving on to the kajal, I'm using this K Beauty 24-hour kajal in the shade Spade, and I'm just tightlining my lower waterline. Then moving on to the eyeliner, I'm using this NYX Love Lust Disco Epic Ink Liner. And if you are a beginner and you want to learn how to do any kind of eyeliner, please start with this kind of pen eyeliners because they are very easy to apply and you will get a good hold while you are doing that, because liquid eyeliners are tricky little bit. Other eye I'll do off camera, and this is how it looks. Then it's time to apply some falsies. For that I'm using my Pack 54 eyelashes, and these are super affordable and gorgeous. Then it's time to apply some mascara. For that I'm using my Rimmel-scandel eyes, and I'll apply generous amount of coat on my upper lashes and lower lashes. Then it's time to do the lipstick. For that I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Ashton, and this is a very pretty dark brown color and it goes with my current eye makeup look. So yeah guys, that completes my look for today. Hope you enjoy this beautiful orange and brown halo eye look. If you want to recreate this, then don't forget to tag me on my Instagram account, which is ShriyaSharadSaxena, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Till then, take care, bye bye, see you in my next video.